Hey everyone, welcome back to Maker. So if your Cricut Explore Air 2 has not been working properly, or maybe the cuts aren't lining up, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. It happens to pretty much to all of us at some point of time. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate Cricut machine in the simplest way possible. So by the end of this video, your machine should be cutting clean and accurately again. So let's jump right in and fix it. Alright, so first things first, you need to go ahead and open your Design Space app. Now, once you've got that open, look up at the top right corner where you will see your profile name. You'll see a little drop down arrow right there. Just click on that. Okay, now from the drop down menu, you need to hit Settings. Move on. Once the Settings window pops up, you'll notice a bunch of tabs at the top. What you need to do is click on Machines. Alright, now here you'll need to go to the Machines Calibration and select your Cricut Explore Air 2 from the provided list. Then click on the Start button to begin the calibration process. On the next page, you'll see three different options. Simply choose the one that best fits your problem and continue. Next, you'll be prompted to do a couple of things. Just insert your blade and place a sheet of plain printer paper onto your mat. Once you've got that all set up and ready to go, just click on Continue. Okay, so once your machine is all ready, go ahead and press the load button onto your machine. Now, keep an eye on that Go button. When you see it flashing, just hit it and that's what's gonna kick off the calibration process for you. Once everything finishes up and your machine is completely done, you'll get a little message on your screen saying calibration is complete, which means the calibration is done. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.